Alright, we pulled up to the car wash after we're done water sanding and it's all full, apparently. People like to wash their cars in the morning, so now we gotta wait. Things all dirty. Gotta get this all cleaned up.
Alright. Giving the car a bubble bath before we spray it.
Alright, we're here at the spray booth. Got my dad cleaning the car already, getting it prepped. And after we're done cleaning up all the body and everything, getting all this stuff, dirt off it, we're gonna tape up the windows, the lights, the rims, and then we're gonna start painting it. So, the last look. You guys won't be seeing like this again. Alright, we got the car all cleaned up and covered. So we're getting ready to start spraying in a minute. This is what happens when you want big rims. I got 22s. And you can see the thing didn't cover all of it, so I had to cover the bottom with paper. Alright, we are done. Here's a look at the car. So we'll be coming back in the morning to pull it out. And it'll have a completely different look in the morning. Alright, we already got the car. So this is it right here, the look. We're gonna have to probably do the trim and the rims next for sure.